2011 Dodge Avenger. Sorry about the light, fellas. Alternator pulley. Alternator separating. Coming down in there totally. See if that gives us a little better. Never seen one do that.